heart's pounding and it can't be stopped. Tell yourself you're okay. It's too bad your doors can't be locked to keep the monsters away. You check behind the door, there's nothing there no more. You should have stayed in bed. You've heard this noise before, you dive across the floor. Try not to lose your head. The horrors of this night will keep repeating over and over and over until you make it to the end. From the corners, take your head, keep your eyes and you keep over. Your shoulder, push your hands and be alone again. You turn around just in time. You hear a trickle and you turn back and see the closet doors open wide. You look around the space and see a creepy face.